Dreams of building a hemp house, growing our own crops, cut the rent out, put some solar panels on the penthouse. While we're partying, we're damaging the planet like when Monsanto gave the whole world saccharin. It's like nature got lost and taken over. Now it's all artificial like the chemicals in Coca-Cola. From the plantation to the destruction of a nation, they don't teach this is the right information. Maybe they control the world's population. They wanted to build a bomb, so they researched uranium, aspartame in everything, poisoning the youth. But it all leads to just one simple truth. Through organic foods and Tesla's free energy, we sustain ourselves. Now I see the real enemy. It's the men who depend on wealth. They're the weakest among us, detrimental to our health. That's why we feel depressed, it's not a natural way of living. We're all free, but it still feels like a prison. We don't need